Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Teslavian. In this episode, I'm going to review an essential upgrade for your Tesla that can make your road trips even more joyful, especially in hot summer days. As you know, one of the features that Tesla lacks as a luxury car is having a cooling option for the front seats. If you have driven your Tesla in summer days on long road trips, I'm sure you have experienced the discomfort from hot leather, especially on your back. So I've been doing some research to find a simple and affordable solution that does not require complicated installation and you can remove it anytime you want. In this video, I'm going to show you a product that I just bought and tested and let you know how effective it is. I also need to mention that my videos are not sponsored and every product that I show you here is based on my own research. I buy them myself and test them, and I feel comfortable sharing it with you. So with that, let's unbox and test this product. So this product is a seat cover from Comfier that has the option for cooling and also massaging. So let's open the box. That's a seat cover. It has the user manual and also an adapter. So this seat cover can be used in the car using the 12-volt adapter, and also it can be used at home using this adapter. If you want to use it at home on your office chair, for example, or on your sofa, you can just connect it to the wall outlet. So this is the seat cover. There is a switch here. The blue one is for cooling. It has 2 levels of cooling, and the green one is for massage. It has 3 levels of vibration massage. So basically this area has a vibrator that has different frequencies and different patterns that helps to increase the blood flow in your back when you are driving. At the bottom there is this fan that hangs under the seat, and it's covered by this, and it also has this kind of like utility pocket that you can store things in there. And at the moment you can find the 12-volt adapter here. So let's install it and see how that works. So this is how this cover is going to stay on the seat, but because in the back it has these plastic studs, I think they put it there to not slip, but I kind of have a feeling that this might, damage the leather on the seat. So I'm going to just put a piece of cloth underneath and then put this on the top of that cloth. This cover has 2 straps, one that goes around the seat and one that goes around the headrest. So I'm going to install them. From the back side, we'll put these straps. Yep. And the one on the back of the headrest. So now it's secure in its place, and this piece is hanging under the seat with the fan. The last step is to connect the power cable to the 12-volt adapter. So just connect these, and then, as you know, in Tesla the 12-volt adapter located under the armrest. If you look at here under, that is where it is. So just need to plug this in. And the tricky part is to have this wire coming out when you close the armrest. Okay, now the seat cover is installed and I'm going to test it for the first time. Now that I'm sitting on it, I feel really comfortable. I think it has a good support under the legs and on the back. I can feel I can easily drive for long trips with this. I'm going to test the cooling option. When I push the button for the first time, it starts with the high-speed fan. I can feel the flow, a lot of air going under my legs and on my back. The only thing is that I feel this noise from the fan. It's not too much, but it might be annoying for a long time. Maybe put some music on or something to cover it. But if I push the fan button one more time, it's more quiet, it's lower speed, but still I feel the air flows under my legs, my back. Now I'm going to test the massage option. So this cover comes with 3 modes of the massaging. First time you push the massaging button, it does a series of vibration pattern on the lower back and it feels good actually. Now I push it one more time. Now this one is kind of like going up and down, and third time it's pushing this vibration to lower back. It feels really good. I can see I can use this on long trips. Whenever you feel tired on your back, you can turn on the massage and it helps the blood flows on your back. So I'm going to test this for a while and I'll let you know how it goes. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.